Vocabulary, Unit 3, Lesson 3. Listen and repeat the key vocabulary. Chloroplasts.
Chloroplasts.
Microscope.
Microscope.
Cell.
Cell.
Sunlight.
Sunlight.
Extra vocabulary. Float.
Float.
Polluted.
Polluted.
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide.
Pollen.
Pollen.
Stick.
Stick.
Cleaner.
Cleaner.
Travel away.
Travel away.
Light.
Light.
Cool.
Cool.
Milan.
Milan.
Dirty.
Dirty.
Building.
Building.
Wind.
Wind.
Gas.
Gas.
Important expressions and prepositions.
Make new seeds. Travel away from. Make the plant green. With a microscope. On apartment buildings. Keep the buildings cool. Breathe cleaner air. Travel by air. Travel on animals. Travel by water.
Look at the picture and tell us what it is.
Sunlight. Chloroplasts. Cell. Microscope.
You are excellent. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. Goodbye.